FAA confirms first grand cargo of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The first major shipment of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine has begun. The Federal Aviation Administration confirmed it as the country preps the distribution. Several charter flights were scheduled to bring the promising drug into the country. But the most crucial part of the shipment is still the storage. According to Pfizer, the vaccine demands ultra-cold storage to last for a long time. So when doses are set for transport, companies must place the vaccine in temperature-controlled thermal shippers. These will hold both the doses and dry ice. Dry ice lowers the temperature to -70 degrees Celsius. The doses can last for up to 15 days until transferred to better storage equipment. The company added, each shipper contains a GPS-enabled thermal sensor to track the location and temperature of each vaccine shipment across their preset routes, leveraging Pfizer's broad distribution network. Because the cooling material is dry ice, the FAA cautioned parties involved. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide, a gas with potentially harmful effects on the human body. Unlike normal ice, dry ice sublimates or goes from solid to gas without a liquid phase in the middle. As such, people handling large amounts of dry ice should wear protective gear. Unprotected personnel may inhale the gas and suffocate. In an enclosed space, dry ice sublimation lowers the amount of oxygen. A person without the right gear may experience low oxygen that can lead to asphyxiation. So, the FAA is working with air carriers, airport authorities, and manufacturers to ensure the safety of personnel directly handling the doses. Aboard flight, packages maintained by dry ice require insulation. This is to avoid CO2 leaks inside the plane. From Belgium to the US, the insulation has to prevent the gas from leaking throughout the whole flight. The FAA cited examples of few reported cases of CO2 hazards in flights handling large amounts of dry ice. The cases mentioned aircrew detecting symptoms of potential air contamination. If the contamination reaches the cockpit, pilots are at risk of asphyxiation. Although modern aircraft include high-tech filters, these aren't enough to remove tiny CO2 molecules. Thus, the air shipment of Pfizer's vaccine needs excellent insulation, advanced air filters, and a convenient flight plan to protect the aircrew and the doses. USA Today reported that Pfizer's 2 plants in Belgium and Michigan, US, are dedicated to the vaccine.